Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG. Today I'm doing a quick look at the FISKAR Mountain Haze scissors. So why I got these, I had scissors in my first aid kit when I flew out of India, and they did not like that in the airport, so they made me get rid of them. So that's one reason I want to replace those. But two, my dog Waffle loves water, and just in our area there are a ton of these huge burrs that gets in his fur, and you have to cut them out. So sometimes they also get in his paws, and I needed something to trim them out quickly to make sure he can keep walking and keep playing in that water. So getting these out real quick. These are TSA compliant because they're under 4 inches. The blade is stainless steel, as you can see. This design you can use left-handed or right-handed, and they have a lifetime warranty, so that's cool. But my favorite feature about these is they just kind of fold up for space saving. So there you go. That's what they look like, all folded up. They take up not much space. They're very light because the handle is a plastic. And then finally, if you don't want to carry them in a backpack, first aid kit, I'd recommend, with them folded up. If I can get it back into that position. They are a little stiff when you first use them, but it's to be expected. But they have this tiny little loop right here. So if you want to carry them on a lanyard or a keychain, you could definitely do that if you need quick access to them. So this could be a very good EDC item as well. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.